I'm Ashley from mamasdance.com, and today I'm going to show you how we made our really simple DIY brooder box. For this project, you're going to need a really large sized rubber container with a lid. My lid does have clipping handles just to keep little kids and kitty cats out of the box, some hardware cloth, as well as some nuts and bolts and large size washers. Using a utility knife, and it was really quite simple. And then I went ahead and drilled holes into the plastic after spacing out and sizing where I wanted my hardware cloth to line up, and I just marked these holes with a Sharpie. So we are completely new to owning chickens. After a little bit of reading, I did find out that it's important that they have a non-slip surface, and so we've just been using brown packing paper with paper towel over top, and it works great. I have had to change it sort of like twice a day, and then we provide lots of clean water and fresh food for them to eat. And then when they were home for several days, we also introduced some straw bedding in there for them. Thank you so much for following along in today's video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to hit the like button, and as always, you're welcome to subscribe. I'd appreciate it so much. You can find me over on my blog, mamasdance.com, and on Instagram at thismamasdance in between videos. See you later.